Alright, so this is how you do a Eurorack 16 pin to 10 pin power cable. I already did this one a moment ago. Now, one benefit of doing this yourself, first of all, is cheap shit totally. One of these connectors, you buy 50 of them, you pay like 30 € per piece for either one of these. And a meter of this cable, if you buy, let's say 100 feet, that's 30 something meters. Cable costs you around also 30 cents per meter. This one particularly is around 20 centimeters, and I'm going to do another one of the same length. But I will show you one benefit you have when you do your cables yourself, and that is you can actually put this cable in any way you want. I mean, both directions, this way or that way. And why would you want to do that? Now, for example, see this module, it has a shrouded connector. And when I connect this cable, well, I don't like this. I would like the cable to go this way. So, this one's already done. Let's use it as some kind of reference. So, the cable here goes like this. So the new one, I will just reverse. So instead of putting cable in here like this, I will put it on this side. The important thing with these is that you always keep track of where the triangle mark is, because this is pin number 1, this is the red. Oh, by the way, I'm using black cables just because they are cooler than gray ones. It's same shit. So, triangle, red, like this. Press it with your fingers so that it holds in place. Then use something like this piece of paper to protect the connector. And then you can use something like this to crimp it. You can easily fuck up a few of these when you're starting. Actually, I recommend to fuck up at least one of them just for practice sake. So you will know what not to do in the future. You will waste around €1, which is negligible. So now some people leave the cables like this, the connectors like this, but actually you get with the connectors this protective piece which snaps in like this. It just adds another level of protection to the cable. You can use it all, but you don't have to. I always use them because, well, why would I throw them away? So now we have the red one here, okay, and ta-da, that's it. I have it the way I want it, and it's opposite this one. I'll do the other end the same way as I did here. So, like this. Red one goes to pin number 1. Triangle mark. Again, press it with your fingers so that it holds in place. Be careful not to skip any of the pins. And then crimp it. And that's all there is to it. You see? Not really complicated. Otherwise, this is what cable looks like. This is 30 something feet, sorry, 100 feet, so 33 meters of it. And you get the connectors when you buy them in bulk. This is the main part, and these are the safeties, or what's it called? Something for these. That's it. The usual YouTube stuff, because that's how YouTube works. Like, subscribe, comment, and all that shit. And thanks a lot for watching.